Hello everyone, my name is Mimi and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about a beauty gadget, a drugstore beauty gadget that I found that's new to the market, but it's actually quite an old item. I'm going to be talking about the Revlon Comfort Control Lash Curler. This is the first lash curler that I've actually been able to use to curl my lashes comfortably. This lash curler is designed to fit most eyelash shapes with less pinching, and I can say it definitely does that. It has an ergonomic design with finger grips here, a elongated handle. If you've ever used a traditional Revlon lash curler, you'll know that the grip, the handles are really short and they have these teeny tiny finger loops that my fingers get stuck in, and my fingers are super tiny. So for me, they are hard to use. This piece is frameless, so without the frame, that's the reason that it doesn't pinch. It has a non-slip grip and a built-in silicone pad well at the bottom right there. So it comes with 2 silicone pads, and it's actually got a place to keep the second one, which I find super amazing. What I love about this particular eyelash curler is it's lightweight, and it also has no sharp edges, so there's nothing to catch or pinch your eyelashes in for any reason. Nothing sharp or heavy or pinch. It's completely smooth. Now, the cons of this eyelash curler. This eyelash curler is a tad bit bulky. It's not metal, so you can't use a blow dryer to heat it up. If you want to use a heated eyelash curler, you can't do that with this one. And it's a bit expensive. It runs for about $16.99. Okay, let me show you how well this eyelash curler works. It does provide a very, very soft curl, and in my tutorial, I'm going to show you how to maximize the amount of curl you get out of any eyelash curler you use. It's by curling the lash base, the center of the lash, and the tips. So let me show you how this works, the before the curl and the after the curl. I'm not wearing any eyeliner so that you can see how well this eyelash curler works. I'm going to show you a before and after by curling this eye, and this eye I'm going to leave alone. I'm also not wearing any kind of eyeshadow or anything on my eyes just yet so that you can see. So I'm going to zoom you in and let's get started. So this, I'm looking at a magnifying mirror. So what you want to do is get this eyelash curler as close to the base. You're going to curl your lashes in 3 steps. So you're going to do base, 1, 2, 3. You're going to flip it, push it against your eyelid, remove your chin down, and do the middle. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to move it up more, little chipping your chin down, and do the tips. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, in little increments until you're at nothing. Look at that curl. That's uncurled, and that's curled. Now that I've shown you how to use the lash curler and how to get the most curl out of with this method I taught you, I'm going to talk a little bit about what not to do with this lash curler. So first, don't heat this lash curler up. This lash curler is not meant to be heated to curl your lashes. Second, never ever curl your lashes with wet mascara. You can curl your lashes with mascara on them, but not when it's wet. When it's wet, mascara will stick to the lash curler and pull your lashes out. It's best, in my opinion, to curl your lashes before you ever put a stitch of mascara on them. It will save your lashes from being pulled out. Another thing not to do with this lash curler is never use it if your lash pad is split, worn, frayed for any reason, because again, this curler will ruin your lashes. It will start cutting them if the pad is broken down in any way, or pulling them out as well. So, a really big thing that you should be doing with your eyelash curler is cleaning it with an alcohol pad after every use. And also change the silicone pad every 6 months if you use it daily. This will spare your eyes from getting infected and pulling out your lashes as well. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you in one final time so that you can see how well this eyelash curler actually curled my lashes with my mascara and eyeliner and everything on them. My lashes look fanned out and absolutely beautiful just from this curler. I started using an eyelash curler for a particular reason that's common to hot girls in glasses, and that's because I got sick and tired of my eyelashes banging against my eyeglass lenses, and curling them is one of the only ways that you can avoid that feeling to an extent. So I really like this eyelash curler. It's beautiful, it's lightweight, it does everything that Revlon claims it does. It is magnificent. If you want your eyelashes to be curly, it's not a hard curl, it's not a super curl, it's a soft, lovely curl to your lashes. I highly recommend this. And if you liked my review of my favorite new beauty tool, this Revlon eyelash curler, that I like so much that I had to review it on its own for you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you didn't, give me a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. My name's Mimi, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.